So why is this Faux Rattan Bistro set really good? Well, for starters, the seat's really comfortable. You slide in, you've got your high back, and you feel really well supported. You can easily forget that you're sitting on a chair that folds down for storage. And the fact that it folds down small enough so you can get it through a caravan and motorhome door is a real bonus. Easy to do, and with the feet and the frame really sturdy that you're not going to sink on most surfaces. Compact, lightweight, and the chairs are stackable, which means it's easy to store away in your caravan, your motorhome, your garage or your shed. The glass top table comes with it and adds a real sense of style, elegance and luxury to your setup. So if you want to find out more information, you can pop along to your nearest Leisure World branch or go online to our online shop, leisureworlddirect.co.uk, the link for which will be in the description. Chin chin.